Thank you for the introduction, and good morning, everyone. I'm going to give you a brief overview of Vitis, our new unified software platform. Vitis is a platform for software developers, application programmers, and AI and data scientists to exploit the performance of our adaptable devices. Before I talk about Vitis, I would like to provide some context that guided its development. We see three major industry trends. The first is the shift to heterogeneous compute. The second is a broad set of applications spanning from cloud to edge. And the third, of course, is the pervasiveness of AI. The first clear trend is the shift to heterogeneous compute architectures. Traditional CPUs are running out of steam and not providing the right performance to handle all the compute-intensive applications. Domain-specific accelerators have sort of stepped in to provide in order to handle the heaviest workloads. And adaptable devices such as FPGAs and ACAPs can be used to build these domain-specific or even application-specific accelerators and can be configured on the fly. The challenge here is the need for programming and integration of these accelerators, especially for users without any FPGA experience. The second major trend is applications that span from edge to the cloud. Applications are moving from cloud to the edge for low latency, for privacy, for security, and they're moving from edge to the cloud for better TCO and better scalability. In some cases, even a hybrid architecture may be the more appropriate architecture. The challenge here is to be able to retarget a design from cloud to the edge or from edge to the cloud for a range of scalable solutions. Finally, the third industry trend is AI proliferation. Machine learning is becoming part of a broad range of applications, from smart city to autonomous driving to healthcare and even to managing our own money. The challenge is to implement efficient ML accelerators and then integrate them into complete applications and get the right price, performance, and power characteristics. Moreover, we need to make sure that AI and data scientists continue to work in the environment that are familiar to them, like TensorFlow or PyTorch.